Hello and welcome to the Visual Stress Test tutorial. We're going to show you how to use the software once you've installed and downloaded it. You should have a small icon on the desktop, and when you click that you will come to this screen. Okay, we're going to go into the basis of the test in a second. I just want to show you a couple of buttons on the home screen. On the left hand side we have view results. When we've got some results I'll show you where that goes to, so we'll do that at the end. On the left hand side it says observer help. If we click that, it's asking you to print off an observation sheet so that the adult observer, adult helper, can record their observations of the student during the test, whether the student is blinking too much, rubbing their eyes, looking away, or generally struggling with the test. So if you print off the sheet, connect your computer to a printer, print off the sheet, and then you can photocopy spares for other students, and it will guide you as to what you should be looking for and in which tests, which parts of the test you should be looking for this information to put on the observation sheet, and this will be filled in within the application towards the end. So we can close that one. On the bottom we have some guidance of to what stage of the test you're in. At the moment we're at the introduction, then we're going to fill in some details, and then we're going to the body of the test, which is in 6 parts. Once they're completed, we will then ask you to fill in the online observation sheet from your written observation sheet which you've just printed out, and that will be the end of the test. In the top right hand corner we have FAQs, just some general questions. What are we testing for? What preparations do I need to make? I'm not going to go through them now, but they are there. They can be accessed at any point during the test, so you can refer back to them at any time. When you're done you can just press close. Okay, we're going to press the start button now to get into the details page. As you can see, we've indexed along on the bottom onto the details page. That will flow as we go through the test. We're just going to put some made up information in here now just to fill it out with something. Obviously you will use the name of the student that you're testing and the class that they're in. This is relevant for the testing and results data that we get from this. If you don't know their birthday, ask them. Obviously it's a drop down menu, so you just select which day, which month, and which year that they were born in. Male or female, that's obvious, it can only be one or the other. Ethnicity, again, is a drop down menu, so there's a few choices down there. If you don't feel that you fit into any of the categories that we have listed, please just click any other ethnic group at the bottom. Is English your first language? Yes or no. Simply, do you currently wear glasses? Yes or no. If they do wear glasses, they should wear glasses when taking this test. Do you have a special educational need? There's a few listed there, so they either do. If they don't have one, it's none. If they do have one, please select the one from the drop down menu. If it's not on the list, just click other. Okay, and then we need the name of the person who's doing the test, so we'll just put anything in there. And the test is the application is clever enough to remember, so if you're doing more than one test, the next time you come to this, if you click down the drop down menus, it should have your selection already in there, and then if you pick the surname first, it will then populate the other two with your details. So the start new test button has now been highlighted because we're ready to go on to the test proper. So if you click that, it will take you forward into the start of test 1.